Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. This is Kay at Cooking with Kay, and I just wanted to clarify some things that I did in my last video. I was using some cooking spray in my non-stick pans, and I just want to say don't use cooking spray in your non-stick pans, and I'll tell you why. It's because when you use the non-stick spray, it causes your foods to eventually start sticking to the surface of the pan, as well as having buildup around the edges of it. So never use non-stick spray in your non-stick pans because over time it will damage the pan. Now, if you do have a really nice non-stick pan, what you can do is, number one, never let the pan heat up too long without anything in it. You may want to take a little vegetable oil and just wipe around it, and that should help you with the non-stick. But never use non-stick spray. I'm not going to show you the name of the maker because that's not important. But vegetable oil works. Never use metal utensils in your pans. Always use stuff like this that's not going to damage your pans. Anything like this will work, but never use any metal utensils because it will damage your pan. So this is a quick video. So make sure you join me in my next video, Cooking with Kay. And I'll see you in my next food video. Take care, guys.